Welcome back to George's Classic Cars.
Alright, so we're getting ready to do our test fit our firewall extension, make sure that it's where we want. We've got the holes drilled for the spot welds, and we cut it down to where we think we like it. So we'll go ahead and put it in, get it clamped in, and then start welding it in. Alright, so we're getting ready to test fit now that Dan's got the camera where he would like it. So we'll go ahead and put it in. If you notice that we have the holes drilled, and then we sprayed our weldable primer on it to get a good seal, good bond. So looks like fits in there pretty good. So I'm going to use a C-clamp to the frame rail on the bottom here. And then that'll probably be smart to, as you weld it, you want to push it into place to make sure that it's touching metal all the way around. And once we get this all in place, we'll set the welder up. Looks like everything fits where we'd like it to. What do you think, Dan?
Looks great from here.
Alright, so I'll get the welder set up, and then we'll be right back. So what we're going to do is get you a better look. So we're going to start with the bottom welds here, and then as we go up the firewall extension, we'll push in on it to make sure it's where it needs to be, get a good bond on everything, a good solid fit. So anyway, so we got this all cleaned up, and our weldable primer sprayed where we wanted it. And then also we got all the holes drilled for where we're going to spot weld the floor pan in. So we're going to set this in there, see how it fits. So here goes nothing. By the way, we chose on this particular side, this floor pan was a lot worse on the driver's side than the passenger side, so we got the whole floor pan from the firewall extension back to the rear seat. There is one spot back behind the seat that we're going to, put a patch panel in instead of replacing the whole thing, and then we'll start on the other side, and I don't think it's going to be near as bad. So it looks like it fits just like we wanted it to. So now that we got it fitted, we're going to actually put some caulking underneath this pan between the old tunnel ram, the transmission tunnel, and the new floor pan. We're going to put some bead, we're going to put a weather strip bead of caulk in there. Is that right, Dan? To make sure that no water gets up underneath it. Not that the car's ever going to see water again, but
Yeah, we're actually going to use the good old-fashioned roofing tar.
Oh, okay, yeah.
In a tube of caulking.
And that's another thing. Me and Dan's talking about. We're not trying to spend a bunch of money. We know you can. So just the other day, I was at. That's why we're using the roofing tar for one thing, because it's I'm sure they make a automotive that's twice as expensive. So I was at the local grocery store picking up some groceries the other day, and I noticed there was some paint they had on clearance that we're going to use. Super good deal. So always be looking for ways that you guys can cut corners to make other things, you know, more affordable. Is that not right, Dan?
Yep.
Welcome back to George's Classic Cars.